In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label buttons on WordPress. A simple WordPress tutorial for beginners. Whether you're creating a new post or updating an existing one, properly labeling buttons can significantly enhance user experience on your website. Let's dive in and walk through each step carefully. First, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. If you need a refresher on how to log in, just open your web browser and type in your website URL followed by admin. Enter your username and password and you'll be taken directly to the dashboard, a central hub where you manage all your WordPress activities. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Posts option on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to view a list of all your existing posts. This is an essential part of managing your WordPress site because it's where all your published content resides. Next, click on All Posts. This option will allow you to see every post you've created. Scroll through and select the post you want to work on. Click on Edit beneath the post title to open it. This will take you to the WordPress editor, where you can make changes and updates to your content. With the post editor open, look for the Edit with Elementor button and click on it. Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin that offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it easier than ever to design stunning web pages without needing to code. Once in the Elementor editor, use the search box to type Button. This search will filter elements quickly so you can find the button widget with ease. Click on the button widget to add it to your post. You'll now have the option to configure and label your button as needed. Now, click on Type to set what kind of button you want. This is your chance to define the button's purpose, whether it's to submit a form, initiate a download, or engage users in other actions. For labeling, type your desired text in the text box provided. This label should be clear and concise, so users immediately understand what action the button performs. To make your button functional, click on the link icon and add the URL you want to direct users to. This step is crucial to guide visitors smoothly from your content to the intended destination, be it another page on your site or an external link. Finally, you'll want to assign an ID to your button. Click on the Button ID, which WordPress will automatically generate. This ID helps in targeting specific buttons with custom styles or scripts if needed. And there you have it. Just like that, you've added a labeled button to your WordPress site, ready to enhance navigation and interactivity. Don't forget to save your changes and always preview your post before publishing to ensure everything looks just right. Happy blogging, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.